Hi viewers, welcome to Hotspot Programming. Today I am going to explain you what is set timeout and set interval. Okay? Yeah, first we'll open JavaScript compiler. Set timeout. Okay? Set timeout means set timeout is used to delay the execution of a function by a certain amount of time. Okay, it will execute once only. Okay, so we'll see an example for set timeout. Okay, set timeout. Timeout. Here we have to write one function. We'll write syntax first. Okay, function comma delay. This is the syntax. Okay, and we'll write an example like set timeout of arrow function console.log of this runs after 2 seconds. Okay, here we have to give time, that is 2000 milliseconds. Okay, and we'll see, we'll run this one. Yeah, this will run after 2 seconds. Okay, it was running, right? We'll check one more time. Check, it was taking 2 seconds to execute this program. Okay, that's it. And set interval. Okay, set interval. Set interval means actually it is used to repeatedly call a function within a fixed time delay between each call. Means it will repeatedly call one function in a certain amount of time, that is set interval. Okay, we'll see syntax. Okay, syntax. Set interval one function comma interval. This is syntax. Okay, and we'll write an example like same like that, but it was have to give interval. Set interval. Sorry, set interval. Okay, arrow function console.log of this runs every 2 seconds. Okay, and here we have to give that interval of 2 seconds, means 2000 milliseconds. Okay, first we'll create this one and run this one. See, for every 2 seconds it was executing this program. Okay, that's it from this video, guys. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe. Hotspot Programming. If you have doubts, please comment below. Thank you.